In this video, I'm going to show you the iCloud. So to open it, you go to your system preferences, and then there is a button called iCloud, and you go there. And if you have already set your iCloud, your address will be show here. But if not, you can easily create an address. It will say iCloud address, and you just put your name, and Apple forwards you through the process. And once done, you have your iCloud here together with all the things you can do there. So I can make it bigger. Okay, so new for Yosemite is the iCloud Drive. Let's go there quickly because you can best see what it is. Here are all my files I have in the iCloud. And the cloud is basically a virtual space where you can save all your data. Apple gives you 5 GB free, but you can buy more if you want to or need to. And then you have the big advantage that you can handle files between your devices. So for example, if you have a MacBook and go to a customer, you have the same files than when you are at home on your big iMac computer. And all that happens because you save your files to the iCloud. Before Yosemite, you could do that here in Pages and Numbers and so on, in some text programs and Keynote, of course. But you did not really have a space where you can put all your files. Now you can. With the iCloud Drive, you can, for example, here I have the movies in a folder here. I can easily create my own folder now and then just put files I need into the iCloud Drive and then access them from everywhere in the world. You can even go to a web address and load them to the computer you are on, so you are not even Windows and Mac dependent anymore. So what you need to do to have it set up correctly is that you have all the email address you use the same on all devices, and then you can say, like I did here, what you want to have where. So for example, I have my computer, I have an iPhone and an iPad, and everywhere for cloud storage I set my email address, and then I just tick all the boxes here or not, like here. I will tick that now. And yeah, so my keychain, for example, with all the passwords from several sites is now stored in the iCloud, and all devices which have the same email address can access my keychain. The same with Notes, Safari, and so on. The good thing, or the great handy thing, is that, for example, when you start a note on your MacBook and you are on the go to a customer and you have your iPad with you or your iPhone and you want to do something or show something, you can simply access that note and talk about it. Or you want to make notes while you're on the road, you can do so, and they are also on your computer. Very handy. And the same is with your calendar, for example. It's pretty cool because when you have a meeting and you put it into your calendar, you can now simply synchronize your devices, and then, for example, you have your mobile phone ringing whenever the meeting starts. So whatever you set on your computer is also on your iPhone or other devices. Yeah, basically that's it. And now you even have the chance to manage your family, but more about that in another video. So for now, that is how the iCloud works.